In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the limited by budget issue in Google Ads with some essential Google shopping tips. If you're managing a Google Ads campaign, you might have encountered this notification. It means your ads could reach more people, but they're being held back by the current budget you've set. Let's dive into a straightforward way to address this limitation effectively. First, you'll need to head over to the Google Ads website. This is where the magic happens in boosting your engagement with your potential customers through online advertising. Once there, look for the sign in button prominently displayed and click it. Make sure you sign in with the correct account that you're using to manage your campaign. After logging in, you'll arrive at the Google Ads home. This dashboard is your central hub for all campaign management activities. Here, you'll access all your campaigns, monitor performance, and make necessary adjustments. Now direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on Campaigns. This section gives you a detailed overview of all your active and inactive campaigns. Within the campaigns page, look for the option labeled Budget. This is where you'll find insight into how your current spending is divided among different campaigns, and more importantly, is where you can make the adjustments needed to overcome budget restrictions. Now it's time to take action and increase your daily budget. Click on the budget section, which will display your current daily spending. By increasing this amount, you're allowing your ads more room to be seen by a larger audience, thus overcoming the limitations posed by being confined to a lower budget. While this can feel like a leap, think of it as an investment. The more visibility your ads receive, the higher chance you have of attracting more clicks and conversions, ultimately leading to a potentially higher return on investment. It's crucial to increase the budget to an amount that is both feasible for your financial plan and practical for your campaign goals. If you're unsure about how much to add, you might want to experiment by increasing it incrementally and monitoring the impact. This way you can ensure that you're not only optimizing your ad viewership, but also maintaining a balance between cost and performance. With these steps, you've now taken a crucial stride in resolving the limited by budget issue, allowing your ads to perform at their fullest potential. Remember to periodically revisit your budget settings and adjust as needed based on your campaign's performance data. By staying proactive about your budget, you're setting your campaigns up for success and reaching more potential customers. Thanks for watching and happy